Good morning to my dear students. I am your Manikan sir. In previous class, we discussed about natural numbers and whole numbers. Once again, repeat natural numbers. Let us consider counting numbers are called natural numbers. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. Natural numbers are represented by capital N. N is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. These numbers are called natural numbers. Next, whole numbers. Natural numbers include 0, that is W equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These numbers are called whole numbers. Natural numbers is a whole numbers, but whole numbers are not natural numbers. Today our topic integers. What is integer? What is integer? Definition of integers: the collection of negative numbers and whole numbers are called integers. Integer definition: the collection of negative numbers and whole numbers are called integers. Integers are represented by capital I or Z. Capital I or Z, that is equal to set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, -1, -2, -3 and so on is the integers. We draw the integer line. Draw the integer line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. This is the integer line. 0 is a non-negative. 0 is a non-negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the positive integers. I plus means positive integers. These are the negative numbers. Negative integers. Negative integers. 0 is a non-negative integer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the positive integers. -1, -2, -3, -4 are the negative integers. Example: negative numbers write in ascending order. -1, -4, -3, -1. Write the ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Ascending order means small to big. Here -1, -4, -3, -5. Here -5 is the smallest number, negative number. -5, next -4, -3, -2. This is the ascending order. Another question. Example 2. 2, 4, minus 2, 0, 1. Write ascending order. 2, 4, minus 2, 0, 1. Write ascending order. Solution. Ascending order means small to big. Ascending order is equal to here smallest number minus 2, comma 0, next 1, next 2, comma 4. This is the ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Another example, 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. Write descending order. Write descending order. Descending order means big to small. Big to small. Descending order is equal to here big value 4, next big value minus 3, minus 5, wrong, minus 2 is the big value, because integer line nearest value minus 2, here minus 3 is wrong, because here 0 nearest value is the negative number is the biggest value, but minus 2 is the big number, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. Okay, descending order means big to small. 4, next big number minus 2, next big number minus 3, minus 5, because reason 0 nearest value is negative number is the minus 2 is the big number, compare with minus 3, minus 5 is smallest number. This is the descending order. Another example, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 6, minus 7, 2, 4. Write the ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order under descending order. Ascending order means small to big. Descending order means big to small. First, ascending order. Ascending order is equal to here smallest number minus 7, next minus 6, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, comma 2, comma 4. This is the ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Minus 7, minus 6, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, 2, comma 4. This is the ascending order. Another one, descending order. Descending order means big to small. Here big value 4, 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 6, minus 7. This is the descending order. Now, properties of integers. Properties of integers. First one, closure property. Closure property. Closure property with respect to addition. Let a comma b is belongs to Z. Z means integer. A comma B, any two numbers, integer numbers. A comma B belongs to Z, that implies A plus B is belongs to Z. This is the closure property with respect to addition. Let A equal to 1, B equal to 2. 1 comma 2 is belongs to Z. 1 comma 2 belongs to Z. Z means integers. That implies A means 1 plus B means 2. 1 plus 2 is belongs to Z. This symbol means belongs to. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 is belongs to Z. So 3 is a integer. This is the closure property with respect to addition is satisfied. Closure property with respect to addition is satisfied. Okay, A comma B belongs to Z, A plus B belongs to Z. This is the closure property with respect to addition. A value 1, B value 2. 1 comma 2 belongs to Z, 1 plus 2 belongs to Z. 1 plus 2 means 3, 3 belongs to Z. Closure property with respect to addition is satisfied. Another one, subtraction. Subtraction. A comma B belongs to Z, that implies A minus B is belongs to Z. Let A value 2, B value 3. We substitute 2 comma 3 is belongs to Z, that implies 2 minus 3 is belongs to Z. 2 minus 3. Here we subtract 2 minus 3. 3 is the big value, 2 is the small value. Now 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, because negative value is minus 3. Minus 3. So minus 1. 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is belongs to Z. Minus 1 is also a integer. So subtraction is also satisfied. Subtraction is also satisfied. This is the closure property with respect to subtraction. Multiplication. A comma B is belongs to Z, that implies A into B is belongs to Z. A comma B belongs to Z, that is implies A into B belongs to Z. You take A value 3, B value 4. Here 3 comma 4 is belongs to Z, that implies we multiply 3 into 4. 3 into 4 how much? 3 4s are 12. 12 is belongs to Z. 12 is a integer. 12 is a integer. So 12 is belongs to Z. Closure property, thus multiplication is also a satisfied. Closure property with respect to multiplication is satisfied. Multiplication, A comma B belongs to Z, that implies A into B belongs to Z. Take A value 3, B value 4. Take any two values, integers. Integers, any two values you take A value 3, B value 4. 3 comma 4 is belongs to Z. 3 into 4 belongs to Z. 3 4s are 12. 12 is belongs to Z. 12 is also a integer. So closure property with respect to multiplication is also satisfied. Another one, division. Division. A comma B belongs to Z, that implies A by B does not belongs to Z. A by B does not belongs to Z because A value 1, B value 0. A value 1, B value 0. 1 comma 0 is belongs to Z. 1 comma 0 is belongs to Z. That implies 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means not defined. 1 by 0 not defined. So A by B does not belongs to Z. Closure property with respect to division is not satisfied. Okay, closure property, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Addition is satisfied. A comma B belongs to Z, A plus B belongs to Z. Subtraction, A comma B belongs to Z, A minus B belongs to Z. Division, A comma B belongs to Z, that implies A by B does not belongs to Z. Multiplication, A comma B belongs to Z, A into B belongs to Z. So closure property with respect to addition, subtraction, multiplication are the satisfied. Division is not satisfied. Another property, commutative property. Commutative property with respect to addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. First one, addition. A comma B belongs to Z, that implies A plus B is equal to B plus A. A comma B belongs to Z, A plus B equal to B plus A. A value minus 1, B value minus 2. We take A value minus 1, B value minus 2. We substitute minus 1 comma minus 2 is belongs to Z. Z means integer. That implies A value minus 1 plus minus 2 bracket of minus 2, that equal to B value minus 2 plus bracket of A value minus 1, that is equal to, that implies minus 1 plus into minus minus 2, that equal to minus 2 plus into minus 1. Okay, we recall plus into plus is equal to plus, minus into minus is equal to plus, plus into minus is equal to minus, minus into plus is equal to minus. Here plus into plus, plus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into plus minus. Here plus into minus, plus into minus minus, so minus 2, that is equal to minus 2 plus into minus minus 1. Now we add minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore commutative property with respect to addition is satisfied. Commutative property with respect to addition is satisfied. Now subtraction. Subtraction. A comma B belongs to Z. A minus B is equal to B minus A. A minus B is equal to B minus A. We take A value 4, B value 2. A value 4, B value 2. 4 comma 2 is belongs to Z. 4 comma 2 belongs to Z. That implies 4 minus 2 is equal to B value 2. 2 minus a value 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 4. We subtract 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 value 2, that is equal to 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. We subtract 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 value 2. Now negative number, so minus 2. 4 minus 2 equal to, that equal 2 minus 4 equal to minus 2. Here LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, A comma B belongs to Z. A minus B not equal to B minus A. A minus B not equal to B minus A. Because reason A value 4, B value 2. 4 comma 2 belongs to Z. 4 minus 2 equal to 2 minus 4. We subtract 4 minus 2, 2. That is equal to 2 minus 4 minus 2. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, commutative property with respect to subtraction is not satisfied. Subtraction is not satisfied. Multiplication. Multiplication, A comma B belongs to Z. That implies A into B is equal to B into A. A comma B belongs to Z, that implies A into B is equal to B into A. This is the commutative property with respect to multiplication. We take A value 3, B value 2. Now 3 comma 2 belongs to Z. 3 comma 2 belongs to Z. That implies A value 3 into B value 2. 3 into 2 is equal to B value 2. A value 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 is equal to 2 3s are 6. So LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. A comma B belongs to Z, that implies A into B equal to B into A. Commutative property with respect to multiplication is satisfied. Commutative property with respect to multiplication is satisfied. This is the commutative property, multiplication. Okay. Division. Division. A comma B belongs to Z. A comma B belongs to Z. That implies A by B not equal to B by A. A by B not equal to B by A. A value 1, B value 2 is belongs to A value 1, B value 2. 1 comma 2 is belongs to Z. 1 comma 2 belongs to Z. That implies 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 1. LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, commutative property with respect to division is not satisfied. Commutative property, first one, addition. A comma B belongs to Z. A plus B equal to B plus A. Second one, subtraction. A comma B belongs to Z. That implies A minus B equal to B minus A. This is the subtraction is not satisfied because A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Third one, multiplication. A comma B belongs to Z. A into B is equal to B into A. Division. A comma B belongs to Z. A by B not equal to B by A. Commutative property over. Associative property. associative property. Addition. A comma B belongs to Z. Sorry, A comma B comma C is belongs to Z. A comma B comma C belongs to Z. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. This is the associative property with respect to addition. Associative property with respect to addition. A plus of B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. We take LHS. Take LHS. A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. Here A value 1, B value 2, C value 3. A value 1, B value 2, C value 3. We substitute A plus of B plus C. A plus of B plus C. A means 1 plus bracket of B means 2. 2 plus C means 3. 2 plus 3. That equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 value 5. 1 plus 5 that is equal to 6. This one LHS. We solve RHS. RHS is equal to A plus of B plus C. A value 1 plus B value 2 plus bracket plus C value. C value 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 2 value 3. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. This is the RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. So, associative property with respect to addition is satisfied. Addition is satisfied. Subtraction. Subtraction. A comma B comma C belongs to Z. A minus B minus of B minus C. A minus of B minus C is equal to A minus B minus C. A minus B minus C. We take LHS. Take LHS. LHS is equal to A minus of B minus C. Here A value 3, B value 2, C value 1. We substitute LHS. A value 3 minus bracket of B value 2 minus 1, that is equal to 3 minus 2 minus 1 value 1. 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. This is the LHS. Okay. A value 3 minus B value 2 minus 1. 3 minus of bracket. First 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. LHS is equal to 2. Next RHS. RHS is equal to A minus B minus C. A minus B minus C. A value how much? 3 minus B value 2 minus C value minus 1. 3 minus 2 value 3 minus 2 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Associative property subtraction. Subtraction A minus of B minus C is equal to A minus B minus C, not equal. Therefore, associative property with respect to subtraction is not satisfied, is not satisfied. This is the associative property subtraction. Okay, to be continued in another class. Thank you, children.